How to replace a lost car title in Mississippi. If you've ever had to replace a lost car title in Mississippi, you know the process can be time-consuming. The Mississippi Department of Revenue handles the replacement, which usually takes around a month to process. Before we begin, be sure to click like, subscribe, along with the bell for new video alerts, and of course, please share with your friends and family. Steps to get your car title replaced. Put in a formal request form. According to the Mississippi Department of Revenue, you can replace a lost title if it has been damaged, stolen, or is illegible. If you never received the original copy, you can request a duplicate. Complete Form 78-006, the application for replacement certification of title, and include the required fee for a duplicate title. In-person or mail request. You can apply in person at your local Mississippi Department of Revenue office or send the request by mail. Provide necessary information. Ensure you have all required information handy, including details about your vehicle and a valid ID. Final steps. Once your application is processed and approved, you will receive your duplicate title in the mail. Follow these steps to get your replacement title hassle-free. Don't wait, act now. It's easier than you might think, and ensuring your car's documentation is in order is crucial for ownership and legal matters. Gather your information, complete the application, and get your title back without the fuss. One last thing. Don't let a lost car title stress you out. If you need emergency cash immediately, perhaps getting a car title loan is an option to consider. Learn more about how to get a car title loan on our website.